Hello everyone, I'm Shikha and you are watching my YouTube channel. In previous video, we were discussing about the sentences, and in this video, we will continue with the same topic, kinds of sentences. So let me start by saying a few words of wisdom for today. Stop wasting your time complaining. By being mindful of what we say, we can slowly mend our habits of complaining and live a fulfilling life. Spending today complaining about yesterday won't make tomorrow any better. So instead of complaining, make this day great. So now let's we start with the topic kinds of sentences. We can divide the sentences in a four kinds: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory sentences. So let's first we talk about assertive or declarative sentences. A sentence that is state or declared is called an assertive or declarative sentence. Or we can say in English grammar, a declarative sentence is a sentence that makes a statement, provide effect, offers an explanation, or convey information. Sentences written in the declarative form are written in the present tense and usually ends with period. Period is here full stop. So now see the example. Here is example of affirmative positive statement. The earth moves around the sun. Honesty is the best policy. The school reopened today. She works hard. These all are example of affirmative positive statement. Now see negative sentences. Negative statements generally contains not, never, no, etc. So examples are: they do not come here, she does not listen to my advice, I will not open the door. These are negative statement or sentences. Now next is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative or question sentence. Interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks question. Interrogative sentence often start with interrogative pronouns, or we say WH word, and ends with question mark, and some questions start with auxiliary verbs, or we can say helping verbs. That is called yes or no type of questions or interrogative. So first we see the example of interrogative questions start with WH word, why, whom, whose, what, how, etc. For example, what is your father doing? Why did you laugh? Where do you live? How are you? These are example of WH word. Next is yes and no questions. It gives answer in yes or no, and questions start with auxiliary verbs do, does, did, was, were, is, am, are. So examples are: do you get up early in the morning? Are you interested? Shall we go? These are example of interrogative questions. Now next is imperative sentence. A sentence that express a request, order or advice is called imperative sentence. Imperative sentence do not have a subject, instead a directive to give to an implied second person. For example, wash the dinner plates. So this command implied subject to wash the dishes. Same here, keep your room clean. So this is advice. Please sit down. It is request. Never trust a stranger. It is again advice. And shut the door. It's a order. So these command implied subject directly. Now next is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling such as surprise, joy and anger is called an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence ends with exclamation mark. Examples are like what a fine day, how beautiful it is indeed, what a pretty she is, how frightful the scene is. These all are example of exclamatory sentence. So we can see that we can divide the sentences in mainly in four kinds: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So here some types of sentences are given, and you have to identify which kind of sentence these are. So let's see. First is how well she is. It's a exclamatory sentence. What is your name? So question is starting with WH and end with question mark. So it's a interrogative sentence. It's a raining cats and dog. It's just a statement. Bring me that file. It's a imperative sentence. Did I say anything? It's a interrogative sentence. What a tragedy. It's a exclamatory sentence. Exclamation mark is given. She is a successful writer. It's a declarative or assertive sentence. So now we have understood the concept of sentences and its kinds. And we will end this topic here and will continue with new topic in next video. Till then, take care, keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.